Unlocking the door to wealth. Discover 8 ingenious paths to real estate success without spending a penny. Getting into real estate with little to no money can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here are 8 ways you can consider. Wholesaling. Wholesaling involves finding great real estate deals and then passing them on to investors for a fee. You don't need to buy the property, you simply need to find motivated sellers and connect them with buyers. Real estate partnerships. Partner with someone who has the capital but lacks your expertise or time. You can bring your knowledge, skills, and effort to the partnership, while your partner provides the funds. Owner financing. Some sellers are willing to finance a portion of the purchase price, allowing you to buy a property with little to no money down. Negotiate favorable terms and structure a deal that works for both parties. Rent to own. Lease option or rent-to-own agreements allow you to rent a property with the option to purchase it at a later date. A portion of your rent payments can go toward the down payment. Real estate crowdfunding. Participate in real estate crowdfunding platforms, which allow you to invest in properties with a small amount of money. You'll share ownership with other investors. House hacking. Live in one of the units of a multifamily property and rent out the others. This can help cover your living expenses and potentially generate income. Real estate wholesaling. This involves finding properties at a deep discount and selling them to investors for a profit. While you don't need to purchase the property, you do need to have strong negotiation skills and a network of investors. Real estate education and networking. Invest time in learning about real estate through books, courses, seminars, and networking events. Building relationships with experienced investors can open doors to opportunities you might not discover otherwise. Remember that while these methods can help you get started in real estate with little money up front, they often require hard work, dedication, and a strong understanding of the real estate market. Additionally, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence and research to mitigate risks and make informed decisions. Real estate can be a lucrative investment, but it also comes with its share of challenges and potential pitfalls. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.